Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Annette and today I am continuing in my Pat or Toss YouTube series. This is a series where I let you all know about different ingredients and products in skincare and beauty, and I let you know my thoughts on them and ultimately if I would recommend that you pat them on your skin or simply toss them. So for today's video I am pretty excited because I'm talking about Glow Recipes Hyaluronic Acid Serum. This has been a pretty hyped up, talked about product, so I'm excited to give you my thoughts after using it for a month. And yeah, so we're gonna jump right into the video today. Now, if you are new here, if you've been watching any of my other videos and you've landed on this video now, I do kindly ask that you like, share, comment, and as well subscribe to my channel. I am currently on a goal to reach 1,000 subscribers and I would love your help in getting me there. Hyaluronic acid is incredible for hydration. This is because it is a humectant. So what that means is all the water particles that are in the air, our skin naturally pulls on those particles to keep our skin healthy and bouncy and hydrated. The same way your insides need water is the same way your outsides need water as well. And so hyaluronic acid, or we'll call it HA because it's hard for me to pronounce, HA helps in that process because it gets the water that's already in HA and it sticks to the skin. And HA is actually something that naturally produces in our bodies as well. So this kind of gives that an extra boost of help on the skin. And then in addition, HA is a plumper. So when you apply it onto the skin, it basically, all of the lines that are on our skin, it goes into those lines and it fills them up. And this gives our skin that kind of like glass skin effect or look. And that is because it's plumping up the skin. And so that is why hyaluronic acid is one of those ingredients that everyone loves to reach for, because you get the hydration, but then you also get that plumpy, youthful, bouncy skin. With Glow Recipe, this product is trying to do exactly that. It's actually called Plump Up. On the Sephora site, they mention a lot of times plump this, plump that. So this is really targeted towards what HA is meant to do. So on Sephora, they describe this product as a hydrating serum with juicy plum and 5 weights of hyaluronic acid that fills skin with hydration for a visibly plump effect. So this entire product is literally described as what hyaluronic acid itself is supposed to do. So I'm now going to talk about the ingredients. Looking at ingredients, I like to focus on the top 5 for my videos. And looking at the top 5 ingredients, that's important because on every ingredient list, whether it be skincare, food, cosmetics, whatever it may be, the ingredients listed at the top are the ones that are heavily formulated throughout the entire product. So I like to focus on the top 5 ingredients for videos on YouTube because I don't have time to read everything. So I'm looking at the top 5 ingredients for the Glow Recipe Hyaluronic Acid Serum right now. So the first 3 ingredients for this product, the first one is water, followed by glycerin, and then propanediol. All 3 of those ingredients focus solely on hydration. So that's really incredible. They're all humectants. Aqua, which is just water, glycerin, and propanediol, all of those things do the exact same thing hyaluronic acid goes ahead to do. It pulls in the water and it helps it to stay on the skin, which helps our skin to be hydrated, which also in return gives it that plump, beautiful, bouncy effect. Following those 3 ingredients is pentylene glycol. This is a solvent. It helps other ingredients work together. After that, the 5th ingredient is a little bit difficult for me to pronounce, but it's Pleogynium timorians fruit extract. So that is the 5th ingredient, and this is a really incredible ingredient. It's not only hydrating, but it is also an antioxidant. Antioxidants are really great. They're my favorite family of ingredients because they limit free radicals, which are just daily stressors on the skin. Free radicals, an example would be things like pollution, for example. So antioxidants help to kind of like limit and like interfere with that damaging or showing damaging effects onto the skin as well. So I love that the antioxidants are in there, and that is not the only antioxidant. In the top 5, you have really fantastic hydrating ingredients, you have antioxidants, and then throughout the entire ingredient list for this product as well, there are a lot of incredible antioxidants and a lot of forward-thinking ingredients as well that you haven't really seen in other products out there currently. So I thought that was really cool, and that was part of the reason why I actually purchased the product. this is the product right here, as you all saw in the picture for this video. So would I recommend that you pat this on your skin or simply toss it? Hard to say. So I'm going to explain it to you first and then I'll kind of give my answer. So this is a fantastic product that goes ahead to do what hyaluronic acid is able and capable to do. And then they also tie in antioxidants to help to target uneven skin tone, texture, things like that. So it's really incredible that it has all of these ingredients, but the first strike I would say against this product for me is the price. So hyaluronic acid is one of those things in skincare where you shouldn't really be trying to break the bank to get it. And with this product, I feel like if you want to give me a hyaluronic acid serum, give me a hyaluronic acid serum, and then you don't need to really add in all of those antioxidant effects. You know, I can pick up a vitamin C serum, I can pick up a niacinamide serum, or I could just pick up a moisturizer with vitamin C already in it. So if I'm in the market for a hyaluronic acid serum, I don't want to think about, oh well, should I have to decide between this and another product, because you know it's pretty pricey, this product, I would say, and not pricey like some of you might think, like, oh my gosh, that's not that bad. But in my opinion, for hyaluronic acid, I mean, I did not think that that was a reasonable price. Looking at the ingredients, definitely you get a lot more than just a hyaluronic acid serum, but you don't need to have all that in the product. That's my opinion. So besides the price, then I'm gonna now talk about how the product worked for me. So when I used this product, I noticed the number one thing that I absolutely noticed was that the appearance of my skin was very evened out, whether it be my skin tone, my skin texture, my sebum production also was very evened out during my use of this product. And not that I have any issues with sebum production, sebum meaning oil. So the oil balance on my skin is very well done currently because I have a very healthy skincare routine. But with this product, I just felt like everything kind of just flowed the way, I don't know, it just felt like really refined, really balanced, I would say, on my skin. So that was really incredible that I noticed that, and I noticed that throughout the month use of this product. So again, that's really incredible that I've been using this product for a month and I still have quite a bit left. So I don't know if you can see, get out of the frame. So this is basically where the product is left. So that looks like I still have quite a bit, and I've been using this every single day, twice a day for a month, and I still have quite a bit left. So I love that as well. So you do get your money's worth, right? If you're gonna purchase this for a month, you're gonna have it for a month, and even a lot more than that apparently as well. But my basis for the price is just there, like for instance, the Revolution skincare hyaluronic acid serum, fantastic ingredient, not even close to the price of this product. So that's one thing that I will say for that. But like I mentioned, you will see incredible results. You'll see hydrated skin. You will feel hydrated skin as well. And then you will also notice a smoothening and evening out of your texture, of your tone. And as well, I noticed a great balance of my sebum production. It just felt like everything was like working and connecting together at once, which I thought was really incredible about this product. So on the fact is that, but I will note this, does this product hydrate your skin? Yes, but not in the way that, like, for instance, The Ordinary, they have their hyaluronics, that's their, they have two hyaluronic acid serums. They have the HA serum and then they have the hyaluronics serum. So the hyaluronic serum is incredibly hydrating. You feel it instantly once you put it on your skin. With the Glow Recipes product, if you're looking for something that focuses on hydration, I don't think this is necessarily that product for you. what I would call this product is one that plumps up the skin, which is also what hyaluronic acid does for you, but this really focuses on that effect when I used it. So I didn't really notice that my skin was like extra hydrated, but what I did notice was that my skin was very plump. It got that glass skin effect that I mentioned earlier. And so yeah, so it's really hard to give this a pat or toss. Like I mentioned, there's the issue of the price, and then also it's not exactly hydrating, but it is really great at plumping the skin, evening out the tone, and with sebum production. So it's really hard to say. I'm gonna recommend that you pat this on your skin, but take note of everything that I just said, right? If you don't want to break the bank, if you're looking for a hyaluronic acid serum that is just a hyaluronic acid serum, there's The Ordinary's Hyaluronics, there's Evolution Skincare's hyaluronic acid serum that's also really incredible that I would recommend. And then there's also the Inky List. They have a fantastic hyaluronic acid serum as well. So all of those products are under like $10, like all of them. And then this product I think is $55 for this one product, and those other products that I mentioned will also last you a month. They will also plump up your skin, even out your texture, help with your sebum, and they're incredibly hydrating. So it's really hard for me to like, you know, tell you to go spend extra money on a product. If you have the means, if you're interested in it, of course go ahead and try it, but don't feel like this is the only option for you that's out there on the market. That's what I would say. So that has been my use of Glow Recipes Hyaluronic Acid Serum. And it's also so cute. Like I love the packaging. Look at her. Look at her. Like I want to put her in my bag and like take her with me places. I don't know. Okay, I'll stop talking. So that's all I have to say today. I talked about the Glow Recipe Hyaluronic Acid Serum. I thank you all so much for watching this video. Thank you for tuning in. And I do kindly ask that you please consider subscribing to my channel. I am trying to reach 1,000 subscribers and, you know, almost there, kind of. But I do ask for your help to get me there. And I thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you next week.